Josh here with Moonlight Adventures, and we are at room 608 in the Homewood Suites at Port Canaveral, Cocoa Beach. Tomorrow we are cruising on the MSC Meraviglia. This is our first time going out of Port Canaveral, and this is our first time in this room, and we want to take you on board so you can check this room out and see what it's like. Nice large suite. Nice accommodations, which include microwave, dishwasher, full kitchen suite, a couple of eyes there for you. We've got a refrigerator with ice maker, dining table, full length mirror, couch which also pulls out, flat screen TV living room area with a nice view that looks over the port. And you can also watch the shuttle launch, which tonight there'll be a shuttle launching. Moving into the bedroom, we've got a king size bed, of course lights at each nightstand, as well as plenty of outlets off of each lamp. Nice size step-in shower and tub where you do your business. Nice granite sink there with plenty of lighting and a nice size closet as well. All right, we are on the elevator. Nice size elevator. Hey, and here is where they keep Chastity in the Homewood Suites. What do you think about it so far, babe?
It's nice. I just explored everywhere. It's nice.
Show us your buddy in here. Your buddy, the astronaut. Chastity found a buddy while I was showing you guys the room.
There he is.
Very nice lobby area. Get your picture taken with the astronaut or the Chastity. Moving on through, rocket theming all the way through. Main lobby area. It's also where breakfast is served. TVs throughout the area. And check out this back deck out here, guys. Oh, you're good. You're good. It's got two grills there. Looks like they have a bar area that's open during the daytime. Check out this fire. Very beautiful pool area. Very beautiful. It's got the infinity edge. I think that's what you call that, the gradual walk-in. It's kind of like a beach. And as you see, it's got the railing for accessibility as well. So one of the awesome and unique things that they do here is they offer parking for $10 a night. As you see here, and you can also scan this. You got to do it the night before, but you get shuttle service from Homewood Suites over to the Port Canaveral terminal. It's $10 per person. It's a business area. More rooms. All right, guys, so we are working out now, and so we're going to show you guys a gym. And for the first time in Moonlight Adventures history, we will be working out on our cruise. Very nice gym. Yeah. Very nice gym area. Plenty of equipment, plenty of room to do whatever you want to do. So Chastity wants to try the Peloton out. She don't have her gym clothes on, but that's okay.
To me anyway, because I'm a little too tall. I'll do all this. I'm not really saying that.
Wonder if they'll have Pelotons on the ship.
Of the second quarter on a Marcus Smart drive with 4.5 seconds left, and now he picks up his
Laundry area if you need it. Jess, do we need some tube socks for Gunna Wayne?
We really enjoyed staying at Homewood Suites in Cape Canaveral. It's a great option whether you're sailing out of Port Canaveral or wanting to hang out at Cocoa Beach or going to see the Kennedy Space Center. We would suggest to anyone and advise anyone that this is a great place to stay. And in addition, there's also parking there for cruisers at $10 a day. What a great option, guys. Go check them out.